The MS program started when my board wanted to challenge management to come up with some leading edge research which had international significance. This was because the incidence of MS in Tasmania was greater than anywhere else in Australia. We also had a very good team, or the core of a good team, that could advance this research and we could get some outcomes.
It was important to invest in the MS Research Flagship to ensure that we gave our researchers the best opportunity to do their very best work.
This 10-year milestone means great success for our program. The research achievement that stands out to me over the last decade has been being able to take something from the bench to the bedside.
In the last 10 years, our understanding of MS has evolved to include an idea of brain cells being involved in the disease, and this is really changing the way that we think about treatment and ultimately cure.
I think the MS Flagship has really shown us what working in that really deep collaborative partnership can do. By having people living with MS, working really closely with our researchers, it shows that we can have the best impact and we can really be sure that the research we're doing aligns with the priorities of people with MS.
The research progress has been dynamic, and the options now available to the MS community for treatment are significantly better. I think the hope comes when you look at the MS sector and you see the collaboration and the partnerships between researchers, consumers, carers, supporters, advocates, funders, and the galvanisation of that community has allowed the research to be accelerated, and that is incredibly exciting.
To me personally, the progress in MS research needs hope. Hope that MS will have as little impact on my life as possible, and hope that it will impact my children's generation even less.
For me, progress in MS research means more hope and more options to live life better.
Collaborating worldwide with all other researchers makes it even more hopeful.
This 10-year milestone is an important time to look back and celebrate what we have achieved. But it's also an important time to look forward and work out what else do we need to do in order to solve MS.
I think what excites me the most about the future of MS research is the shift from focusing on suppressing inflammation to repairing and protecting the brain.
The goal of the next 10 years is to turn our research discovery into practical benefits like early disease detection through blood-based tests.
My hope for the flagship over the next 10 years is to deliver consumer-driven research that makes a real difference in the lives of people with MS so that they can live healthier lives with less disability.
I'm excited about a future designed around outcomes that truly matter.
I think success would look like we will have seen a change from really focusing on understanding the disease and trialling new treatments to a real change to actually preventing MS and making sure people living with MS are getting the best of treatments and the best quality of life.
Collaborative.
Supportive.
Outstanding.
Turbocharged.
Visionary.
Immense.
Life-changing.
Making a difference.
Amazing.
Simply magnificent.
Transformative.
Lasting.
Hope.